Coming from the motherfucking swamps, nigga. Niggas get stomped. Yeah. Be like this. Be like this. I trim your ass like a barbershop. Spark a blunts a lot. Niggas get shot. My posse's on 20th Street like some mix-a-lot. Trigger happy like a crooked cop with a Glock. Leave your fucking body in the lot, covered with bricks and rocks. Dig your grave up with a bulldozer. Run your tombstone over. Crush the bones off your shoulder. Spit hot shit and my opponents for the moment. You get your neck cut open and leave your brain foaming like the K9, AK and the 9 to do me fine. Kick a million rhymes at a time. Leave your eyes blind. Closed shut, now tell me did you had enough? Niggas like you stay undercover like McGruff. Niggas like me don't give a fuck. Break your face rough like T-bone steaks. Blow up like a weight. Smack you in your face for one of the metal crates. Coming up the block, slamming like the doc. Freestyle non-stop until the beat drop.
MCs pay the price. I roll with my squad like dice. So take my advice. Get lost or get iced by the player. I'm stabbing niggas like Buffy, the vampire slayer. I get higher than the Himalaya. It's pitch black, the fat rap sayer. I run the fucking town like the mayor. I pump the Seston. I proceed with my progression. A veteran, my freestyles be banging like the lesson. Now we can get it on like Smith and Wesson. I write the paragraphs that be leaving niggas guessing. No question. MCs try to trace but can't follow. Step into the ring with me, you die like Apollo. In fact, pitch black's a tough back to back. In the rumble, niggas tumble like acrobats with no limbs. I stalk your back with the black Timbs. When I attack, niggas get sacked like Phil Sims. I hit them hard like Shaq attack ribs, leave them bent. The range, my personality changed like Clark Kent, motherfucker.
Coming from the fucking swamp. From the swamp. Yeah, niggas get stomped. From the swamp. From the swamp. From the swamp. Represent. It's my turn to burn you like a flamethrower. I've been rapping back in the days where Adam even Noah. My soul was 1,000,000 years old. My style been passed down from generations. Total destruction's what you're facing. Sometimes I catch flashbacks to how I got killed. In my last life I was a lion. That's why nowadays I'm horrifying. Plus I got the hardcore roar you never heard before. Beyond the stars and beyond the door. From 94 to 95, stinger rappers like beehives. And while you be at your jobs, I'll be fucking your wives. I put your rappers in the knot like family ties. Don't forget shit, my memory bank is computerized. When it's time to go to war, I get the skies. Fuck all my allies, they all shall die. I send that ass to hell, the double the Astra. What the fuck made you wanna fuck with G Massacre? I look deep into your eyes, put a curse on your ass. Had you in the house sick, crying like a bitch. Feel the pressure beating down on your head like drumsticks. Niggas get done quick, I'm coming with them.
I stroll, niggas get stole when I roll. I play them like Tecmo Bowl and lay them down cold. And my 9 is golden, I'm holding your wife and your kids for ransom. Unstable, don't chance them. Stop the planet, I rumble anytime, any place like Janet. The shit is real, I ain't just saying it. Soft spoken, but at the same time I'm roaring like the Lion King and burning niggas down with the iron thing. So back the fuck up, get struckin'. You're stuck in the war zone. Your hands blown, no bother ducking. Black, I represent the 2 I will. I take a squad of niggas to war and do them in. The crew I'm in. Sounds the ranges in the mother. Respect through the cruise down. I'm just respecting any other.
I flip niggas like gymnastics, fantastic like TurboGrafx. You get blasted and thrown in caskets, you dumb bastards. My collar's master, plus manufactured hot like acid. You get harassed, checks get getting casted by the assassin. Fat asses I be waxing when I be relaxing. More action than Jackson, kick your back and have your bones cracking. I just be laughing, cause niggas just be cracking me up. Swallow them motherfuckers like Parisi cup.
I leave you laying on the streets praying for the Lord to come and save ya from the hell I gave ya. Major flavor, I'm coming. I keep them bump niggas running for their life, and if you fall, you're done. And I summon my squad if the odds change. My position you hang, and I see you swinging like make a distance. So don't be bitching when I step to your Eva. I got the 9mm, and I'm fast like a cheetah. So don't run. I be the black minister of rap hits, dropping rap hits, slumping niggas and doing backflips.
From the swamps where niggas get stomped, nigga. y'all motherfuckers.
What's up to the nine, my nigga Cool Tom, my nigga Rob Lynn, Big Jones, Fat Pooh, Black Bob, Snoop, the rest of my squad, all y'all niggas know who you is.
Yeah, motherfucker, straight from the swamp. We got Bloody Tribe in this nigga. That shit bang. It should.